morning guys, how are you doing today? So today I'm going to be using a palette that surprisingly I've never used before. So this is the palette here. It is the Colourpop Sweet Talk palette and it is so pretty and I've never used it. I've only swatched it and I'm so surprised I've never used it because it's so pretty. As soon as I opened it, within like 60 seconds, I had about 4 different eyeshadow looks come to my head straight away. So I'm having a hard time deciding which one I should do today. I'm probably going to use this throughout this week and maybe next week and film a couple more looks with this palette, just so I can get all of those ideas onto my eyelid and show you guys. I'm really excited to try this palette out. I don't know why, I just really love the tones in it and everything. It's just so inspiring to me. So I really cannot wait to try all the looks that I have in my head. If you guys are new, welcome, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I really like to do fun and easy makeup tutorials, so stick around for that. This is the palette here. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I just have so many ideas coming to my head when I look at this. I'm thinking today I really want to try this shade here, Dream Maker, and also Side to Side. So these two shades I'm just loving today. I'm putting this shade all over my lid and buffing it up into my crease. That shade is actually way more pigmented on the eye than what it looks like to be in the pan. In the pan it looks really creamy nude, but on my eye it's got more of a pink tinge to it. Does that make sense? The next shade I'm using is called Dream Maker. And I'm going to be buffing this into my crease. And also onto my eyelid as well. And with Valentine's Day coming up, this look should be perfect. Alright, taking a bit of a smaller brush now, and the shade, I don't know what this shade is called, ICYMI. Wow, that is pigmented, oh my goodness. So I'm focusing this on the crease and the outer portion of the eye. Using the shade Feel Free, I'm going to begin putting that on the outer part of my eye and blending that in. I am taking a smaller brush again.
Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah. No friends of mine around. Yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about.
Okay, I'm pretty happy with how that is looking. So I just pretty much buffed it along my lash line here and up into this corner, right into my socket. and then I just gently blended it into the crease slightly and buffed it out overall to try and reduce the harsh lines. For my lid colour, I will be using the shade Meadow. This is just to try and even out all the different shadows that I have going on. Oh, there's a bit of fallout, that's okay. I'm going to begin to experiment now with the shade Side to Side. I want this to be pretty much on my whole lid, first part of my lid. I'm going to try with just a brush to start with. Now I'm just going to try on my finger. Oh yeah, the finger's better. This shade is so pretty. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. I am obsessed with this shade. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. We're moving on to the bottom lash line now, and I'm going to do a mixture of two shades. I'm going to use the darker shade on the outer corner of my eye and the lighter shade on the inner corner of my eye. The two shades are Feel Free and the ICYMI. What does that stand for? I feel so stupid. Yeah.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking
Okay, now I'm really debating if I do liner or not. I'm not sure. Would you guys do wing liner with this look, or would you just leave it as is? I don't know what to do next. Using my highlighter, I'm going to be putting that on the inner corner of my eye and also highlighting my brow bone. This is the Colourpop Cosmetics Ice Me Out highlighter.
might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. There's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking.
This is the Colourpop BFF lip liner. And I'm going to top that with the KKW Beauty Kimberly liquid lipstick? Cream liquid lipstick. I'm going to go spray my face and think if I want to do liner or not. I'm not sure, I don't know. Okay, I've decided I'm just going to line just the top lash line. No wing. But we'll see.
I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know.
I'm gonna line my waterline with just a white pencil.
Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun comes out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk
So this is the finished look. This is my first time trying this palette and I loved it. A lot of the colors were actually quite more pigmented than I was expecting. I can't wait to use it again. Like I said earlier, I will probably use this for the whole week trying to create more looks. I already have about 4 in my head that I want to create. So I'll let you guys know how it goes and I'll share with you what I create. I think this look would be perfect for Valentine's Day that's coming up or any date night, and it could probably be worn day or night. I think, I mean, I'm going to wear this for today and it is the morning at the moment, but for the daily wear I just take off the false lashes, you know. Thank you guys so very much for watching today's tutorial and I'll see you in a few days for a new video. If you want to continue watching my content, I'll leave it on the screen somewhere here so you can watch some more. Thanks guys, bye!